Welcome back, students. In this video we will learn about adaptation to the cold climates, and let us begin with climate and adaptation. So what is adaptation? Adaptation of animals. The climate of a place affects the plants, animals and the people living there in many ways. The most difficult climates are extreme heat and extreme cold. Animals can survive in almost all climates because they have many ways of adapting to extreme temperatures. So let us begin with the adaptation to the cold climates. You have seen that it is very cold in the polar regions. In winters, the temperature can drop to as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Animals such as the seals, polar bears, etc. are able to live under such extreme cold as they are adapted to it. Let us see how. Polar bears. The bodies of the polar bears and the several other animals living in very cold conditions are covered with dense, fine fur that traps air, which is an insulator of the heat to keep them warm. Polar bears have two thick layers of fur as well as layer of the fat under the skin. These provide excellent insulation. So that the polar bears has to move slowly, otherwise the heat generated during physical activity can make it overheated. When it does become overheated due to the physical activity, the polar bear goes for swimming in the water to cool off. Its wide and large paws help to swim. It can close its nostrils and remain underwater for long durations. It is interesting to note that the polar bear has the white fur, which camouflages it with the white snow and makes it difficult to be seen. This protects the polar bear against the predators and also helps it to catch the prey. Another animal, that is the penguins. Penguins are found in the polar regions. They have similar adaptations. Their white color helps them to camouflage with the snow. Their feathers, thick skin and fat under the skin provide the insulation against the cold. They huddle together when it is very cold. This keeps them warm. Penguins are also good swimmers. They have streamlined bodies and webbed feet that help them in the swimming. Next is the birds. Birds use their feathers to protect their bodies from the cold. However, this protection is not enough for the extreme winter in the polar regions. To escape the cold, they migrate to the warmer regions during the winters. Many of them come to India. In winter, you can see the migratory birds in the Bharatpur and the Sultanpur bird sanctuaries in India. They go back to the Siberia in the polar region after winter is over. Next animal, that is the seals. Seals have a thick deposition of the fat called the blubber that protects them from the cold. A few other ways in which the animals reduce heat loss are as follows. Number 4, the reptiles keep their body warm by absorbing solar radiations during the day. At night, they seek shelter to keep warm. However, this is not possible in the polar regions. Therefore, hardly any reptiles are found in these regions. Parts of the body such as the ears, tails and legs lose heat first. Hence, animals' cold climates have the small ears and tails and their short legs also. Another way to reduce heat loss is reduce body activity. Some mammals hibernate during the winter months to reduce loss of heat. A long sleep during the winter season is called hibernation. So students, we will learn more about the adaptation to the hot climates in the deserts